My name is Dave Rupp with Exp Realty of California, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. If you have any questions about this house or any other house or any real estate related questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact info is in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Enjoy this house tour. Leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know what you thought of this house. I'd like to know what you thought of the pricing on this house. So if you thought it was a bargain, or if you thought it was just right, or you thought it was too high, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see a totally different house, click the link here. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe.